You've seen both files in every JavaScript project, but what does each one actually do, and why do you need both? Let's break it down. What does package.json actually control in a JavaScript project? Package.json is the file that describes your project, its name, its scripts, and every package it depends on. Under dependencies, each package lists a version range, not one exact version. That caret in front of the version means this version, or any newer, compatible one, so two people installing today could still end up with slightly different versions. Dev dependencies are packages only needed while building. Like Fight here, they're not shipped to production. Package.json describes what you want installed. It doesn't pin down exactly what you'll get. That's the next file's job. So what's package-lock.json actually for? Package-lock.json is auto-generated by NPM. It records the exact version of every package that actually got installed. Not a range like package.json, one exact version number pinned down. It even stores a hash of that exact package's contents, so NPM can verify nothing was tampered with or silently swapped. That's what makes it works on my machine less common. Everyone installing from the same lock file gets the exact same versions, which is why this file should always be committed to Git, right alongside package.json, never added to Git ignore. npm install or npm sci, which one should you actually run? So which command should you actually run, npm install or npm sci? npm install reads package.json and will happily update package-lock.json if a newer compatible version exists. npm sci does the opposite. It reads only the lock file, wipes node modules first, and installs those exact versions, nothing else. It will even fail loudly if package.json and package-lock.json don't match. Instead of quietly patching things up for you, use npm install while you're actively adding packages. Use npm sci everywhere else. Sci pipelines, fresh clones, production builds, anywhere you want the exact same install every single time.